So folks, you can see that here our drawn liquidity is hit, but we still exited at break even. So let me break this trade for you. So first of all guys, there was this 4 hour internal range liquidity to this external range liquidity was our higher time frame target. 4 hour IRL to this external range liquidity was our higher time frame target, and on the 3 hour also it was the same. It was this 3 hour IRL to this external range liquidity, but after that it once again came up and respected this bearish order block here. 3 hour it once again came and respected this bearish order block, which is this green candle here, bullish candle. There was this small IFVG, I think that's why it came. So you could see that here. Just a second guys. Just a second guys. So first of all guys, 4 hour IRL to IRL, then 3 hour. I thought from this fair value gap to this external range liquidity would be our target, but what happened was price comes once again back to here and respects this bullish order block. After this bearish fair value gap, this is the next bearish PD area, that is this bullish candle, and also there is an IFVG here guys, bullish IFVG, as you can see that here. So price once again came for that, I think so. So this was our higher time frame narrative guys, from this bearish fair value gap to this drawn liquidity, that is this inside liquidity, but price once again goes up, taps into this bullish order block and then moves down. And after that on the chart you could see a 3 hour IRL was respected. From this IRL to this external range liquidity was our target guys. So this was our target, 3 hour IRL to IRL, and also 4 hour time frame was also aligning. You could see a bullish fair value gap here plus an order block. You could see a 4 hour bullish fair value gap and a bullish fair value gap and a bullish order block to this external range liquidity was our higher time frame target. And next on the minute 1 chart guys, I'm directly going to the minute 1 chart. So what happened on the minute 1 chart was you could see a 1 minute bearish fair value gap here. It was being respected by euro and price made a lower low. You can see that it perfectly fitted in with this fair value gap. As you can see that body is closed inside, although it went just a bit higher, but it's okay guys. This is still the respects of this fair value gap, and price made a lower low here. You could see that what is this high, this fair value gap, 1.16754. high 1.16754, and what is this high? 1.16738. so there is a 16 pip SMT guys. This was the SMT, whereas the same on dollar index, you could see that there was this bullish fair value gap in the 1 minute, same fair value gap which was disrespected, and price had to make a sell side sweep here. As you can see that the body is closed below that bullish fair value gap and price made a sell side sweep. So what is this low guys? 98.090 open high low, 98.090. and what is this swing fair value gap swings low? 98.090. So this was the fair value gap which was disrespected. The same bearish fair value gap which was respected on euro was disrespected on dollar index, and price made a lower low here. And after that what happened was, you could see that price made another lower low here. You could see that price made another lower low. This was before news, that is FOMC meeting minutes. Price went again once lower, and after 2 AM the real move started guys. So it only manipulated one more time. Due to that I was scared, and after that you can see that here price the same did not break our SMT even swing low, that is this. You can see that it once again went into that 1 minute fair value gap and went on lower and hit our non-liquidity. So before that guys, why did I exited break even? Because price was consolidating. I took this trade yesterday, but it was consolidating. You can see that here guys. So after that what happened was, our dollar index reached the drawn liquidity here guys. It reached the drawn liquidity, but this euro did not reach the drawn liquidity here. Why? Because there was this 1 hour bullish fair value gap here. I thought it would create another SMT. Already our drawn liquidity was hit on dollar index. That's why I exited at break even. Immediately put my stop loss to break even. And after that was my mistake guys. And after that what happened was, even after price going in this candle, you can see that here price did not make a lower low here. Whereas this made a higher high. You can see that here it reached our drawn liquidity and dollar index 98.442, 98.441. You can see that it hit our drawn liquidity here. So that's why, as per our rule, I should have exited, but still I put my stop loss at break even. So I thought it was another SMT, but no, I thought after price reaching this will be another SMT here. And you can see that price did not reach this lower low here guys. In fact, price did not reach this lower low. I thought this would be another SMT. That's why I immediately put my stop loss at break even. And after that my stop loss at break even, price once again goes up to here and then moves in my direction. So this was neither a win trade nor a lose trade, but our drawn liquidity is hit. You can see that how smoothly that 1 minute bearish fair value gap SMTs, price once again went up to here but did not even make a higher high, that is did not violate our stop loss, and still it went into our direction. And after morning London session, you could see everyone was throwing that it would go higher, but instead it went lower guys. So this was the trade guys. Even though drawn liquidity is hit on both assets, I exited at break even due to this. So thank you guys, this was the trade. See, you can how that only 1 minute SMT, 1 minute fair value gap bearish SMTs is smoothly respected guys. You can see that here. And after FOMC, before FOMC, it was manipulation to the upside, and after FOMC real move started, and after this is Sydney session, New York PM session consolidation, and after that London session opening, price went up to here. I was in take profit, but I was near take profit, but I moved my stop loss to break even. I did not exit it, and as our drawn liquidity was hit on the dollar index here, but it did not hit over here. I anticipated another bullish SMT where this fair value gap was being respected here 1 hour, whereas the same bearish fair value gap is being disrespected and price made a IRI, that is a buy side sweep, but it did not happen guys. That SMT did not happen. Instead it was price was heavily consolidating. It was high resistance liquidity and you can call. So why did I not take that bullish SMT into consideration is because price did not make a lower low than this. If price had made a lower low than this, I would have definitely considered it bullish SMT, and I would consider it buying upside, because this would be another 1 hour bullish SMT where this fair value gap would be respected, but it did not happen guys. That's why I did not take a trade bullishly, and once again price moves into this 1 hour fair value gap and moves to our target. So this is the trade guys, you could see. And another consideration what I epiphanized, that is what I realized is every week when there is FOMC meeting minutes, price consolidates. This is the second time happening guys. Even whole week consolidates. That's what happened guys. You can see that this week whole week consolidated. You can see that here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday gave us a clean move, and then I am anticipating below this drawn liquidity guys. Price will definitely move up to here, then I would consider buying it higher. And tomorrow is Friday. Even though weekly candle has become bearish, it will become bullish tomorrow 100% if price sweeps this low guys. And what I'm saying is price will definitely come to this low 1.15901 tomorrow. Why? Because there is another bullish fair value gap here, or it could, and it will sweep this low, and once again this bullish fair value gap will be taken into consideration. So anticipating this, I would anticipate a TJF setup, that is price closing above tomorrow will be a bullish candle. And after that, if bias is bullish, this, if tomorrow is TJF, this would happen. Otherwise price will definitely go below this low. No, I don't think so it would happen. My anticipation is price will sweep this low tomorrow, and Friday it will be a bullish candle, and after that coming Monday it will definitely go below this low. If taking into consideration, it will definitely go below this low guys. Next week's low is below this low, it is 1.15276. so let's see guys, my market experience says it all. I did not take trade today, but today was a good day. But even though it was a high resistance liquidity run guys, that is seek and destroy profile, price was moving back and forth. Price was not consolidating, it was consolidating, but it was moving to low then to high. That's what happened guys. It was not a clean move as you anticipate. So this would be the trade guys. Our non liquidity is hit, but we exited at break even. So thank you guys. It is moving down below this low. As far as my trading knowledge, as far as my experience, and it will tap into this bullish fair value gap plus 4-hour order block here after sweeping this low here. And tomorrow we would see a TJF price move, that is price moving from here to somewhere upside. So thank you guys, this was the trade. Finally our drawn liquidity is hit on both assets, but still exited at break even. Thank you guys.